Title: The Power of Saving Money. Start small, win big. In today's fast-moving world, money comes and money goes. Every day we work hard. We earn, we spend, and somehow, at the end of the month, we still feel like there's nothing left. You might even ask yourself, why is it so hard to save money? If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. But here's something important you need to understand. Saving money is not about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you already have. Many people believe, I will start saving when I earn more. But the truth is, if you don't learn to save with a small income, you won't save, even with a big one. Because saving is a habit. And like every habit, it takes time to build. Let's start with something simple. Saving money doesn't have to be hard. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need a big salary. You just need to start, even if it's small, even if it feels like nothing. Because small steps create big results. Imagine this. You save just $1 a day. That's $30 a month and $365 a year. Now imagine saving $2 or $5 a day. Over time, that small habit becomes something powerful. But here's the biggest problem. Most people don't fail because they don't have money. They fail because they don't control their spending. We spend money based on emotions. When we feel stressed, we spend. When we feel bored, we spend. When we feel happy, we celebrate by spending. And without realizing it, our money disappears. So the first step to saving money is awareness. You need to know where your money is going. Start by tracking your expenses. Write down everything you spend: food, transport, online shopping, subscriptions, coffee, snacks, everything. When you see it clearly, you will be surprised. You will notice how much money is going to things that don't really matter. And that's where your savings begin. Now here's a powerful rule. Pay yourself first. Before you spend on anything else, save a portion of your income. Even 10% is enough. If that feels too much, start with 5%. The amount is not important. Consistency is. Make your saving automatic. Put your money into a separate account or even a simple savings box. The goal is simple. Make saving easy and spending harder. Next, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected things happen. Medical bills, car repairs, family emergencies. If you don't have savings, you will go deeper into debt. But if you have savings, you stay in control. Start small. Save enough for 1 week of expenses, then 1 month, then 3 months. Step by step, you build your safety net. Saving money is not about limiting your life. It's about protecting your future. It's about giving yourself peace, confidence, and freedom. There will be moments when saving feels slow, when it feels like nothing is changing, when you want to give up. But remember this: every dollar you save is a step forward, even if it feels small. Discipline is the key, not motivation, because motivation comes and goes. But discipline keeps you going, even on the days you don't feel like it. Also, try to increase your income. Saving is powerful, but earning more makes it faster. You can start small, learn a new skill, do a side job, sell something online, or find new opportunities. But remember, no matter how much you earn, if you don't manage your money, you will always struggle. Saving money is not a punishment. It is a gift you give to your future self. One day, you will face a problem, and instead of panic, you will feel calm because you are prepared, because you saved. One day, you will have an opportunity, and instead of missing it, you will be ready because you saved. And one day, you will look at your life and realize you are free. So don't wait. Don't make excuses. Start today. Save a little. Stay consistent. Trust the process, because your future